Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I give review about skincare products. I give the reviews, benefits, how to use and their side effects, and also how to identify the fake and original product. So today I want to give a review about a skincare product called Advanced Korean Skin Lotion. See it. Advanced Korean Skin Lotion. This lotion has 3 different types, but here I will give you the review of the 2 types that I have available here in my store now. This is the papaya and the ceramide, while this is the strawberry. The 2 lotions are very good on the skin. They are very good. You can use it on your skin without having any side effect. Then for this papaya it helps to clear and it helps to enhance dull skin. You know there is some skin whereby you will see it, the skin will be dull, but when you are applying this one, it helps to enhance your dull skin. And also it is an anti-aging lotion. This papaya ceramide, it is also an anti-aging lotion. So this advanced Korean lotion is very good on the skin. Then coming for this strawberry, we all know that this lotion is very good. Then the strawberry, it helps to clear dark spot on the skin. It also helps to brighten up your skin. It also helps to glow your skin. It has different things done on the skin, but I'm assuring you that these 2 products are very good on the skin. This advanced Korean skin lotion, they are very good on the skin. So if you have not used it before, try and get one and use it and give me the testimony on the comment section. So here are the side effects of this lotion. Although it doesn't have any side effects, but apply it, don't mix it with any harmful chemical. You know, there are some people whereby they will get a skincare product, they will still get mix it with a harsh chemical product. This lotion, do not mix it with anything. Apply it like that and you will see the result on your skin. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Tony Best Cosmetics. Thanks.